How do I duplicate a project? When you look at your projects listed here on the projects page, that you have this actions column here. You can click this settings icon there. And in the settings, you can edit the name of the customer, the name of the project, and so on. But notice in the bottom left corner here, there's a duplicate option. So this is going to come in handy if you ever want to work on a project that is similar to something, a previous deployment that you worked on. I'm going to click that button. And sometimes it takes a minute to process, especially depending on the size of the project. But what you'll see in the bottom right corner here is it says project duplicated and a link to go to that project. So I'll just click on that. And here we are. This is the that duplicate of that original project. So simple as that. Again, very useful if working on something similar to a previous project. Now, I said that there was another way of doing stuff like this, and one is this. We have, maybe it's not that you want to duplicate the whole project, but you just want to save a configuration that you designed here, a system that you designed. You want to save it to reuse it later. If that's the case, then you can simply do this. Select everything in your topology here, select what it is you want to save, and right-click, and we offer this option here, Save Bundle to my library. So saving a bundle is saving a whole configuration like that. So let's call this the top 10 bundle. All right, so the top 10 bundle, let's just look back to my library here. At the bottom is where the bundles are. There's the top 10 bundle. Actually, this is the new one, and I will drag that out, and there it is. That's a duplicate of what I had created before. So now that can be used on any future project. So I think that also helps answer that question.